Welcome, natural remedy seekers. Today I'm diving into the world of natural laxatives. This herbal journey, you're about to discover 14 incredible herbal solutions to keep things moving smoothly in your digestive system. Let's get started. First up, aloe vera. Known for its soothing properties, aloe vera helps reduce inflammation and stimulate bowel movements. Simply scoop out the gel and blend it into your morning smoothie. Next, we have Cascara sagrada. This ancient bark has been used for centuries as a potent laxative. It's rich in anthraquinones, which help increase bowel activity. A small cup of Cascara tea can work wonders. Chia seeds are another powerhouse. Packed with fiber, they expand in your digestive tract, helping to bulk up stools and ease constipation. Sprinkle them on your yogurt or add them to water for a quick fix. Moving on to elderberries. These tiny berries are not just great for your immune system, they also have natural laxative effects. Elderberry syrup can be a delicious way to stay regular. Flax seeds are next. These tiny seeds are high in soluble fiber, promoting regular bowel movements. Grind them up and add to your cereal or smoothies for best results. Golden seal, a powerful herb with antimicrobial properties, also stimulates digestion and helps maintain regularity. A tincture of golden seal can be very effective. Henna is more than just a natural dye for your hair. It's traditionally used in some cultures as a mild laxative. Henna tea, when consumed in moderation, can help cleanse the digestive tract. Horehound, often used in herbal cough remedies, also acts as a natural laxative. Horehound tea can help stimulate digestive juices and keep your system running smoothly. Hyssop, known for its aromatic qualities, also encourages healthy digestion. Hyssop tea is a gentle way to help relieve constipation. Mullein, with its soft, velvety leaves, is another great herbal laxative. Mullein tea can help soothe the digestive tract and promote bowel movements. Rhubarb isn't just for pies, it's a natural laxative thanks to its high fiber content and the presence of compounds that stimulate bowel activity. A serving of stewed rhubarb can be quite effective. Sage, commonly used in cooking, has mild laxative properties as well. Sage tea can help improve digestion and alleviate constipation. Senna is perhaps one of the most well-known natural laxatives. Its leaves contain compounds that stimulate bowel movements. Senna tea or supplements can provide quick relief. Finally, wahoo bark. This lesser-known herb has been traditionally used to treat constipation. A decoction of wahoo bark can help get things moving. Remember, these natural remedies, so use them responsibly and consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatments. With these 14 natural laxatives in your wellness toolkit, you're well on your way to a healthier, happier digestive system. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more natural health tips. Until next time, take care.